Change key battery. Let's get into it. Let me just take you through how I managed to open it. I'm going to start from scratch. Simply hold it like so and wedge it open. I'm gonna give it a bit of a clean. A bit of dirt and dust has accumulated over the years. And crazy enough, I was carrying the spare key just for in case whenever I go, because I always had a phobia that this car wouldn't open and I would have the spare key far away from me. CR 2025. That's the exact battery I removed, so I simply bought the exact same one. I got this at this local stationery shop. It shouldn't be difficult to get at your local kiosk. Be careful, particularly of the direction of the battery, and then you just press it in. I'm going to give the lid a bit of a scrub as well. Push in the clip first and then press down. Now that we're done, let's give it a test. Hopefully this removes the warning as well. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Job well done.